Hello, my name is JC Pierce, and thank you for watching. So I just wanted to give a little bit of feedback for those who may be interested in VipKid. If you haven't heard of VipKid, it is teaching English online to Chinese kids. And it has really been a fun opportunity for me. I've enjoyed it. I'm on my second contract right now. I started in November last year, and I get a pretty booked schedule every week, even when it's on slow times. So it's worked out really well for me. A couple things that I think have helped my schedule is I teach pre-VIP Kid, and then I got certified in level 2 and level 3. I have to admit I'm a little bit nervous to go up even higher because I have a lot of fun teaching the little kids and being goofy and use all my different silly props, and they get a huge kick out of it. And with the older kids, when I've taught some that are a lot older with the different the phonics classes, I've had older kids, and when I do something goofy, they kind of look at me like, so I don't know how well I would do with the older kids. And I've heard that the younger kids book up a lot faster, so that's helped me a lot. I really like VipKid. You can see my background. It's not super fancy. I got this all at just Dollar Tree, and they change up different classroom things that they have a lot, so I check it out now and then. I used to have a huge map of the United States, and it had to go across the door, and a kid opened the door one day and it ripped in half. So I had to change it up to do something different. I don't really like the words on that, so I don't know. I'll probably change it soon too, but I really enjoy VipKid. If you would like more information, you can message me, comment below. But or if you like more tips on things that I do with maybe my parent feedback that they really enjoy. I speak Chinese. Well, probably not great anymore, but I do sometimes with the younger kids. I'll ask them something in English, and if they are staring at me like they have no clue what I just said, I will translate in Chinese and then say it again in English. And the parents love that. They appreciate that. But I'd love to help you out with anything. My props, I use Minicam, and I love it. It's easy because I don't have to worry about gathering stuff, especially because when I gather my stuff, usually my kids see this pile of cool, toys and props, and they steal them all. So, excuse me. That's why the Minicam works out better for me. It's digital props that I can just have in files and pop up on the screen for them. I've got lots of different rewards I use with it. I've got hats and masks and animals, just all sorts of different things. It's fun. So I can show that to you too if you like. Anyway, hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.